Welcome to our short video on staying motivated. Today we'll share a few tips to help you keep yourself energized and focused on your goals. 1. Set SMART goals. To stay motivated, it's essential to have specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Break down your long-term objectives into smaller, manageable tasks that propel you forward. 2. Create a vision board. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals. Cut out images and words that represent what you want to achieve, and display them somewhere you'll see them every day. This will remind you of your dreams and fuel your motivation. 3. Find your why. Understanding why you want to achieve something is crucial to staying motivated. Ask yourself why you want to accomplish a particular goal and how it aligns with your larger dreams and values. When you find your why, you'll be more likely to stay committed and motivated. 4. Break it down. Big goals can seem overwhelming. Break them down into smaller tasks and celebrate each milestone. This will make the journey seem less daunting and help you maintain momentum. 5. Stay organized and track progress. Keep track of your progress and stay organized. Use a planner, digital calendar, or task management app to keep you on track. Celebrate your achievements and learn from setbacks. Adjust your approach as needed and stay focused on your goals. Conclusion: staying motivated requires self-discipline, dedication, and a positive mindset. By setting SMART goals, creating a vision board, finding your why, breaking down goals, and staying organized, you'll be well on your way to unlocking your full potential. Remember, motivation is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing these techniques and stay motivated in all your endeavors.